What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video, and we have to talk about Shiba Inu here. So let's look at what we have here with Shiba Inu. So this right here is the Shiba Inu chart, and look at what we are on right now. We are on this uptrend still, and we've been on it, and we've been inside of this same channel, right? So Shiba Inu is still consolidating. Look, it's been trading sideways for a while now, and it's going up, 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 and up. So honestly, Shiba Inu is definitely going to rise over time. But as we can see here, it kind of looks like Shiba Inu has some heavy resistance right now. It does not want to go past 0.0000007. All those zeros, 100,000th place, whatever you want to call it, but millionth place, whatever. But yeah, Shiba Inu is definitely consolidating. But what I actually want to say right now is the technicals don't really matter right now. I know I'm doing technicals right now, but it really doesn't matter because yes, we are in an uptrend pattern inside of this channel, but it really doesn't matter because right now, what Shiba Inu, what 100% matters is this: Shiba Inu coin news. SHIB fans are still barking for Coinbase trading. So yes, Coinbase is still halting the whole Shiba Inu thing. So look over here. They have not posted it yet. They said that they would post whenever Shiba Inu is going to be, on here. It says we are experiencing technical issues that will temporarily delay the launch of SHIB on Coinbase Pro. At this time, we are displaying or disabling deposits of SHIB. Withdrawals are still available, so you can't deposit, but you can withdraw. And they say we will provide updated timeline for restoring deposits. But as you can see, nothing, and more nothing. They haven't updated us at all with this. So they have other things that they're making available, but they haven't updated Shiba Inu. So that's really why Shiba Inu's been stagnant. Like whenever they actually update that, it'll go up. But this is a constant problem with the whole SHIB thing. So especially with the Shiba Inu official page, it always takes them forever to update us on things. So I guess they're having actual problems here. I don't know what exactly is going on, but hopefully they solve this soon because a lot of people are getting worried here. A lot of people feel like SHIB is not going to rise because of this, and it's definitely halting us, right? So look at this. Someone said, "Don't tag me in this." I made a legit statement. I don't know what they're talking about there. But yeah, haha, Shibarmy, you guys broke Coinbase. That is great. So yeah, I guess we broke Coinbase because we came in so strong. Someone said I transferred some Shiba Inu last night to Coinbase Pro. It just says pending. My coins are safe and will go deposit, right? So this is the problem. Like they're not updating anything, and even looking at these comments, no one has updated the comments. Even if you show these, no one has really updated any of these comments, right? So a lot of people are wondering. Some people are sending money over there and nothing's happening because they did say they halted deposits, but people are still trying to deposit into SHIB. So this is bad because it's really hurting a lot of people here. Someone that says WTF, SHIB. Someone said I've SHIB in Coinbase, which they probably meant I've deposited SHIB in Coinbase Pro, and it's still pending. I've paying the high fees. All right, they got some bad spelling here, but yeah, the point of the story is people are depositing, but they can't. They did tell people do not deposit because deposits are not working. They canceled them. They disabled them. So will those deposits actually go through? I mean, a lot of people have lost so much money in this, and I'm hoping that it just does not, mess up the whole flow of the Shibarmy. Look at this, Coinbase and Shiba Inu. This is really accurate. Shiba Inu just trying to get in the Coinbase, but obviously the Shibarmy is too big. Like we look at all the people that we have in Shibarmy. 544,000 people with Shiba Inu holding Shiba Inu right now. So that's big right there because it's halting trades because, too many people, I guess, all at once trying to get in Shiba Inu. So that's a good sign, though, if you think about it. So many people are trying to get into Shiba Inu at once on Coinbase Pro that it resulted in this halt inside of Shiba Inu getting on Coinbase Pro. So now a lot of bad things are happening. People are trying to deposit. They can't, but you can withdraw, but I wouldn't even risk it at this point. But yeah, so some have voiced concerns about SHIB listing. We follow users. There is a large number of users demanding it to the point where blah 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 blah. So honestly, let's just hope and pray that people's money actually goes through, because a lot of people are losing money here, and it's still pending, right? So I hope everything goes through, and I hope everything works out for them. And I hope Shiba Inu actually responds to people there, right? But that's not the only thing that we are talking about today. So it's definitely more volatile because of what's happening. But yeah, this isn't the only thing that we're talking about today. The next thing that we want to talk about is the new listing with Shiba Inu. So they were like, all right, Coinbase is taking forever. Let's just go ahead and get a new listing. So as you can see, new listing for barter trade. So barter trade will list SHIB tokens, SHIB token under the trading pair of SHIB / USDT. Kind of the same thing with Qcoin. So you transfer your USDT to Shiba Inu. That's how Qcoin works, because Qcoin will make you transfer your US dollars to USDT, and then your USDT to whatever crypto you want, right? So that's happening on here on June 24th, which is today. So deposits open June 24th today at 14 UTC, and trading starts June 24th, 16 UTC. That's military time. So we are going to be starting today. So this is good that we're on this new exchange. This could be also why Shiba is already rising up. So it's definitely a good thing that we're getting on new exchanges left and right with Shiba Inu. And I'm not too familiar with barter trade, so I'm not gonna endorse them like that. I don't know much about them, but they are now accepting Shiba Inu, so it's pretty good. So they're actually having a poll here: are we in a bear market? And I would kind of argue that we're not 100% in a bear market, but we're like tiptoeing back and forth between a bear market and a bull market. Like we're tiptoeing. Like, look at this. Like, we keep coming all the way down to like the bottom, but then we just rise right back up, and it's like back and forth, back and forth. To me, this seems more like consolidation than, you know, a bear market. But like, let's look at where we are now. Like we were in a huge bear market there. Like, we came all the way down, but since the 23rd, 22nd, it's really been consolidation. We are like up and down, but we're not like completely down. You know, it's like sideways and then little up and down movements, but there's no steep drops to where we're almost going to zero. Like, it's not like that at all. So this is more of a consolidation period than an actual bear market. But that's just what I think personally. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. It's not financial advice. That's just what I think personally. But personally, I predict that Shiba Inu will definitely continue to rise. And like I said, 0.0001 by the end of the year. And just to be a little bit more, you know, realistic, I guess 0.00001. But no, that's not what we're shooting for. We're shooting for the 3 zeros and the 1, right? That's what we're shooting for there. So Shiba Inu definitely has potential. We just need this whole Coinbase Pro thing to, you know, kind of level out, because people are scared right now. There's FUD being spread in the Shiba Inu community because people are losing money. So they're not losing money, but like their money still hasn't transferred yet. Like, it's still pending because those deposits are disabled. So I definitely hope those people get their money through, because that definitely sucks. You know, a lot of people put their money in there. So good news though, 544,000 holders. Look at this, 544,000 hodlers here with Shiba Inu. We still have all the big Shiba Inu whales. The India COVID Crypto Relief Fund is still here with Shiba Inu. They're still not selling out. So we're really not that worried right now. Honestly, I know everything's looking bad, but we're really not worried. And then over here with the Robinhood thing, we're going to be on Robinhood soon. So keep on waiting with Shiba Inu. I know there's so much waiting with Shiba Inu, but it's so worth it, right? Like, Robinhood listing Shiba Inu will also send it to the moon. But I will bet this, that when it is listed on Robinhood, there'll probably be some problems, just like with Coinbase Pro, because it's a really big platform. So when it does get listed on Robinhood, don't expect it to immediately, because, you know, we're gonna have some delays there. So definitely do not give your hopes up, because there's going to be delays here and there. Coinbase Pro has its delays, so will Robinhood, right? So this is really all I have for Shiba Inu, because Shiba Inu, the Shiba Army is good, right? The Shiba Army is good, but the developers, they're kind of slow on reporting about Shiba Inu. They're slow on reporting about Shiba Swap, slow on reporting about Shiba Inu. Yes, they have reported a lot of things recently about Shiba Swap that we already went over, but I don't know. It's been moving slower than it was at the beginning of this whole run, right? At the beginning, when we started going crazy, like left and right, there was news, like left and right news about new listing Shiba Inu, about Shiba Swap coming out left and right? But now we're just kind of feeling stagnant here. Well, honestly, it's kind of getting boring to watch it now, because look, it's just been trying to say trade sideways here. So yes, we are inside this channel of uptrend, but it's not going to be a long-lived uptrend, obviously, because we have a lot of resistance. So honestly, I hope that we continue to go up on this trend, but lots of resistance. But look at that, came from all the way down here, 0.0000005, all the way up here, and as you can see, it's like a stepping stone, like up and then stepping down a little bit, up, stepping down a little bit, and now it's kind of leveled out on that consolidation period. So this is just what we have with Shiba Inu. Sorry that there's not much. That's why I haven't been reporting much on Shiba Inu, because I don't want to just make videos about nothing. So I'm only going to report on stuff that actually matters, like with the whole halting with Coinbase and everything. So it definitely sucks that happened. But Shibarmy, we just gotta hold strong. Diamond hands. We just gotta keep pushing this. Like, just keep pushing forward. Keep pushing to get on Robinhood. Just keep pushing forward with Shiba Inu, right? So remember, I'm not a financial advisor. It's not financial advice. But if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe. Check out the link in the description for a free stock with Robinhood and Webull. And you can also get Shiba Inu on Voyager now. So definitely check out Voyager. And I'll be back with another video. Peace.